Mishpancinco Uchteshpa, Omenewan, primeramente, saludos y respetos. Fine. We are right here located at the Ventura Swami. I seen this it's called Birria Ramen, basically a cup of noodles, birria flavor with some real birria. The carnitas right here, check it out. Keeps on falling off the spoon. I don't know if I had to use like a spoon or a fork, but check this one out. Like, oh, you see the carnita? Bam, bam. I'm not gonna lie. This brought me straight back to the pintilla. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. And this is when you get a paqueton, homie, with some fucking chilorio. Excuse my language. This is when you get a paqueton, homie, with some chilorio. Boy, look at that. Oh, you see that? It's gonna go down. Boy, let me check it out. Mm. Mm. I didn't bring my tripod. I chucked it on that, but it's all good. We gotta make it work somehow, some way. Mm. Here we are. Check it out. Mm. Nice and hot. Put a little bit of lemon, cebolla, cilantro, of course the birria. Mix it with the top ramen. Mm. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Look at all that carne. Mm. Look at all that carne. Boy. Mm. This is what you call a mukbang. I loved it. I'm not gonna lie. This was delicious. And here you go. If you stop by the Ventura area, Ventura County, every Saturday and Sunday at the College Swami, La Picosita food truck, it is what it is. Come get yours. Boy, I recommend it, boy. I'm about to enjoy this all by myself. Yeah.